Hi, I'm Blue from Brushes and Blades, and I got a package I'm excited to show you. I ordered Monument Hobbies, basically their entire line, and I'm happy to do an unboxing for you. Let's get to it. I ordered way too. No, I didn't order too much. This is amazing. Here we go. Cutting pad, paint set, more paint, more paint, more paint, t-shirt. What else is in here? Oh boy. Some extra paint bottles, scraper tool, washes, agitator beads, extra dropper tops for the bottles that are the other type of lids that they have, and some large agitators. Anything else? Boop. 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 That's it. Oh man, I am excited. We're gonna go through each and every one of these. Got 4 boxes of paints. We got the big boy set. Which one is this? This is their 24 pack. So I think this is set 1. And we got warm flesh yellow. Which one is this? It doesn't say which one it is. And we got expansions, metallics. And we got, oh, it says it on the side. Expansion set 3. Expansion metallics. Expansion set 4. And base set. Yeah. So this is on the website, this is what's listed as their expansion 1, I do believe. The only one I didn't order was expansion 2, and that was the contrast colors, because I'm not the biggest fan of contrast colors. But I did also order the washes. I am a fan of using washes in certain situations. Let's check out this cutting pad. I actually don't own and never have owned a cutting pad. And I was like, hey, if I'm gonna have a cutting pad on my camera, it might as well be from a company that I know and trust than some random green thing on the internet. It's nice. Nice materials. Almost feels like it's double-sided. Obviously got a hard plastic in there. Nice logo right there. Yeah, nice. That's gonna go on my desk nicely. That's a nice little area to do some work. I do enjoy doing kit bashing, so this is gonna be fun to use later on. Scraper tool, mold line tool. The classic, all I've ever really used is the back of my hobby knife, like everybody else does. I've never actually owned a tool to do it particularly, but I was like, hey, let's do it. So let's open this up. So we got a nice 2-sided scraper here. It's got their logo on it. It's got some nice grippy texture to it. So if you're trying to scrape one way, or like an undercut, yep, so it's opposite on each side. That's really nice. Can't wait to use that. And we got a shirt. Big ol' hobby nerd shirt. I love it. It's got a big logo, giant Nerd Hobby logo right there. Logo on the sleeve. How about this? Here we go. There we go. All right. It's a nice material. It's not like a super cheap cloth. It's just like your standard tee. It's nice. Big bold letters that say Hobby Nerd on it. Can't go wrong with that. And a nice logo on the sleeve. This will be great in more videos like this to come in the future. All right. So we got a bunch of agitators, some bigger agitators. Not sure which ones those are for. We got a bunch of bottles. I'm not going to bore you with bottles. So let's get them unboxing these. And then, so let's start off with the washes. I've heard great things about their washes. I can't wait to try them. Sounds like there's an agitator already in there. Definitely sounds like there's an agitator already in all three of these. That's pretty awesome. I don't know if that's standard for them or just for this wash, but that's pretty awesome. And let's see. Oh, I'm excited to use these. All right. So I do also already have this nice acrylic stand. So we're gonna go ahead and put these bad boys right here. I'll push this back off to the side. All right, here we go. Let's crack open. This is base set. This is their big 24 box of the base set. Hey, look, a mold line scraper. It's better than my keys, right? I use the correct side. Hey! There we go. Also a great letter opener. Woo! Here we go. Got here super fast. It actually got here like 3 days before it said it was going to be here, so I was excited about that. And then I had to wait to record this video, so this is me actually opening this for the first time. Bold titanic white. That's supposed to be super, super vibrant. Coal black. Oh, all these great colors. Gold and yellow. Blue, just blue. Green. I like it. No crazy, extravagant name. Bright gray. No, bright warm gray. Golden brown. Light umber. That's a great leather color. Oh, I can't wait to work with these. Mahogany. Another great leather color. Burnt red. I wonder if that's equivalent to burnt umber. Probably. What else we got here? What's the one? Dark umber. There we go. That answered that question. Light umber and dark umber. Ivory and tan flesh. Nice. This is a big bottle. Perfectly fit in my acrylic rack. I'm going to go ahead and put all these in my rack. Oh boy. That was a 24 pack. Almost took up 2 whole rolls in my acrylic rack. And I have 3 more boxes to go. But these are all 12 packs. This is 24 pack. All right. Expansion set 3. All right, we got bright pale green. That's a good color. We got faded plum. Dark golden brown. Pale yellow. That almost reminds me of like the glow in the dark color. Like glow in the dark paint. It's almost like the exact same color. That'd be super dope if this glows in the dark. Burnt sienna. Yes. Nice, nice, nice. Black green. Nice. We got blue black. My 2 favorite colors. That's probably gonna be a cool one to use. Gray blue. I'll organize all these by colors later because I'm not crazy. Turquoise, man. There's an agitator. Is there an agitator in there? Or does it just sound like this? There's probably just one in there and I want 2, so that's fine. And then I have other agitators now. Sweet. All right, expansion set 4. There we go. What we got here? Burgundy. Oh, I didn't finish off that other row. There we go. Burgundy. We got warm gray and neutral gray. Yeah, I'm definitely going to organize this by color type. Warm flesh. Dark flesh. We'll put all our fleshes together too eventually. Bright jade. Agitator in that one too. Faded green, yellow green. Nice colors. Oh boy. Warm yellow and khaki, plum and pink. Nice. Oh boy, how many paints are in this last one? These are all the metallics, and my paint rack is almost full. It's good. I have actually another one of these that I already have on my desk. I just busted out this one knowing that this was coming. Just trying to keep this area clean as we keep going here. There we go. Sweet. And then we have, I actually am a fan of using metallics. Non-metallic metal painting. Metallic medium? What? I guess that was it. Yeah, that was part of the set. Metallic medium, white gold, rich gold, copper, bronze, bright gold. So we definitely get some layering going on. So we have rich gold and bright gold, light bronze, yeah, white gold. So we have 3 different golds. Nice. Nice. So we have a metallic medium. So you can use a metallic medium basically to mix with any other color and get a metallic look out of it. That's awesome to have. 3 different golds, so we can get some color variation going on. 2 different bronzes, which again we can get color variation going, and dark and silver, so 2 different silvers, and then copper. I'm excited to see how these go on. These have a agitator in them also. So let's get these golds in here. I'm not going to worry about the medium. I'm not going to worry about the washes in here yet. No. Now, tell me. One over. No, it's fine. Look at this. This is great. So that was a lot of paint. I don't even know the math. On that. Let's get everything out here that I got. And by the way, this was not a sponsored video. I don't even actually have an affiliate link with them yet. But here's to the future. So I'm excited. I can't wait to work with these. So definitely like, follow, and subscribe for future content like this and future content with me painting with these bad boys. This is definitely a huge upgrade for me. And I'm excited to see what next levels of painting that I can take on. And always remember, every stroke of the brush and swing of the blade adds character to your miniature.